Hey there, future landscaper. Ready to dig into the world of starting your own landscaping business? Great, let's dive right in. But first, please give this video a like, press the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can always receive information designed to make your business as successful and profitable as can be. First off, let's bust a myth. Some think you need a huge budget to get started in landscaping. But did you know that nearly 3 out of 5 landscapers start with less than $5,000? Yep, you heard that right. Okay, step 1. Understanding the basics. What's landscaping all about? It's not just mowing lawns. It's designing, planting, maintaining, and sometimes even dreaming with your clients. It's a blend of art and nature. Next, consider your niche. Residential or commercial? Desing focused or main tenants focused? Maybe you're all about those water features or tropical gardens. Find what excites you most and lean into it. Now remember this. 9 out of 10 successful landscaping businesses swear by good market research. Know your competition, understand your potential clientele, and keep an ear to the ground about emerging trends. Paperwork, licensing, insurance, and certification. Sounds boring, I know, but these are the backbone of any legit business. Do your homework, make sure you're covered and accredited. It all save you loads of headache down the road. In fact, our organization can take care of all your business registration and licensing needs. Just visit legalregistration.com. Once that's all set, it's time to gather your tools. The basics might be enough to get you started. A reliable mower, some hand tools, and perhaps a good work truck. Invest in quality, but remember, you can always upgrade later. Oh, and let's talk money. Pricing is an art. Start by determining your costs. Then, aim for a fair profit margin. Did you know the average landscaping project ranges from $1,000 to $5,000? But of course, it varies based on complexity and location. All right, almost there. Marketing. Even if you're the best landscaper in town, it doesn't mean much if no one knows about you. Build a solid online presence. Share your work on social platforms. Word of mouth is golden, so don't shy away from asking satisfied clients for referrals. And finally, stay curious. The landscaping world is ever evolving. There are over 20,000 new plant species discovered every decade. Stay updated, keep learning, and remember, every garden you shape is a testament to your passion and skill. To get your new business licensed and registered quicker, please visit legalregistration.com. Or you can call our experts right now at 877-955-7111. Also, what's inspired you to form a landscaping business? Leave your comment below and let us know your dreams for the future. Please don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell so you can stay updated with tips and tricks to grow your business to maximum profitability.